Greetings and welcome to this channel. Today we are making very healthy cookies with 4 ingredients only. My 2 ripe bananas are already in the bowl. We have our rolled oats, dark chocolate, and the homemade tahini. Let's start. I'm going to mash my bananas. Watch and bake along. My oven is preheating right now. Do you like sweets made with bananas? How about rolled oats? Do you like eating them as an overnight oatmeal with fruits and yogurt? Tell me in the comments below. Now I'm going to add the tahini, my homemade tahini. I will share my homemade tahini recipe in the next video, so stay tuned. Now I'm going to add our rolled oats. Mix everything well together. I'm just using my fork. You can use a whisk. Or your spatula. Now I'm going to cut my dark chocolate into small pieces and add it to this mixture. Continue mixing everything well. I covered my pan with parchment paper. I am using an ice cream scoop. You can use a regular spoon. Now I'm going to flatten them. Now they are ready to go to the oven. Our healthy, delicious cookies are ready. Fresh out of the oven. Who wants one? Put them on a wire rack to cool off. Which one would you grab first? Would you try these healthy cookies? Tell me in the comments. Healthy cookies never tasted this good. Proof healthy can be delicious. Guilt-free and so good. Bake these today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and share with your family and friends. See you in the next video.